The DIY Robotic Insects Kit is a versatile STEAM learning toy designed for school competitions and science enthusiasts. It allows users to explore robotics, electronics, and environmental science by creating electronic insect models. Ideal for students, hobbyists, and educators, this STEM toy promotes hands-on learning, creativity, and problem-solving skills. The robotic insects can be assembled in various configurations, offering both static and dynamic models with different features. Features: static model includes insect material pack for assembling a stationary model. Suitable for beginners to learn the basics of robotics. With belly light, comes with an insect material pack and a colorful slow flashlight for the lower abdomen, powered by a button battery. This version adds a visual element to the model. Static model plus base, a static version that includes a base for display. This option does not include any lights or power supply. Voice activated with light, this configuration features a voice-activated delay lower abdomen lamp, which lights up and flashes when activated by sound. Ideal for adding interactivity to your insect model. Voice, rhythm, and light, equipped with a voice-activated abdominal lamp that combines sound effects, rhythmic flashing lights, and chirping sounds. This enhances the realism and interactivity of the model. With engine, dynamic model adds motion to the insect model with a button battery-powered engine, allowing the insect to move on the ground. Note that other versions remain static. Environmentally friendly design. The kit uses recycled circuit boards for the insect body, supporting eco-friendly practices. Each circuit board is unique, making every model one of a kind. Warm tips. The robotic insects cannot fly. Only the insect material pack plus engine option allows for movement on the ground. Due to the recycled materials, each insect's appearance may vary slightly, giving each creation a unique character. This DIY Robotic Insects Kit is perfect for young inventors looking to explore the fascinating world of robotics and electronic animals while learning about sustainability and innovation.